Hello, and welcome back to the FlyLady's 31 Baby Step Challenge. Please excuse my voice very much. Today is going to be a quick and easy one. Thank God. It's just we're going to add drinking water and add that to the afternoon routine. Also, give yourself a gold star. You've been doing such a great job, and I'm also proud of you. Today's Friday. I usually go over the habits on Friday, but will not be able to today. Please get that printable for free down below so you can be all caught up. I do need to rest now, and I'm still having issues with the other video. I reached out to the customer service people, going to get back to me very soon. I would just release it like that, but I've been working so many hours on it, and obviously I can't film a new one at the moment. Thank you so much for your patience and understanding. Please enjoy your weekend and maintain those habits, and I'll see you on Monday for day 26 of the FlyLady's 31 Baby Step Challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.